We have to be intelligent enough to recognize patterns. Our brains learn through patterns. If you watch my live stream daily, sometimes I slow down and I speak very clearly to ensure everyone will understand, because we need to listen to the language at first separately, sound by sound, and then we can work on connecting them and speaking much faster and listening to faster commentary.
Yeah, I understand.
But that takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
Listening to someone speak fast can maybe make someone feel very tired and boring because they might just fall asleep. I try my best to speak clearly and concisely so that everyone can understand. And I think this is a good place to start. Don't
Yes.
allow me to be the only person you listen to, because
Mm.
you should get used to different speeds as well. However, when you enter the real world, not everyone speaks clearly and concisely, and
Yeah.
it's your job to understand the cultural references. It's your job to understand the figurative speech and translate it, not directly, but translate the meaning of what they're saying so that your audience, for example, in Chinese, can grasp and understand it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?